He's back! Ben the goose is officially hunting my seedlings again, and honestly, my patience is thinner than this netting. I'm not taking any chances this time. I'm off to Toolstation for some plastic water pipe. It's time to build a fortress Ben can't break into. The plan? Create a series of domes. I'm cutting these pipes in 2-meter lengths to give the plants plenty of breathing room and zero bird access. To save a few quid, I made my own clips. I cut pipe into 10 cm strips and notched them out. They snap right onto and keep the netting tight. Time for the heavy lifting. Me and my son got to work assembling the frames across the allotment. This is basically Home Alone for geese. Job finished. My son gave the plants their first safe drink, and we thought we finally outsmarted him. We were so wrong. We came back to find evidence. Ben didn't just get in, he left us a little gift inside of the tent to let us know he's still the boss. We went shopping on Amazon for these heavy metal tent pegs. Total lockdown mode activated. We sealed the entrances at both ends so there is not a single gap left. Every inch of that netting is now pinned to the ground. If Ben wants a salad, he is going to have to go elsewhere. Since we pinned it down, there has been total silence. Zero break-ins, zero damage. Yo, move, Ben!